Everyone, ito nga pala ay isang Honda City. So, ito yung isa sa mga mid variant and ito yung susi, which very nice piano black onto the front, and syempre dun sa likod yung mga buttons, tapos lock and unlock, and syempre dun sa tailgate natin to release it. Unahin ko muna yung design nitong Honda City onto the front fascia. Syempre, since mid-variant would go onto the more chrome option. So, yan. Ito yung masasalubong mo sa harap. Chrome on the top and chrome onto the Honda emblem right over there. And syempre, may mga black plastic trimmings na to. Pero syempre, it's a matte configuration. Tapos, yung mga halogen headlights natin. Yan. May isa dito naka-projector housings. And then, I believe ito yung for the high beams. And syempre, ganun din yung halogens natin sa sa turn signal lights. And then this one is a ordinary that it comes with the yung bumper extended spoilers, pero yan, kasama yan dito sa sa bumper itself. Hindi yan siya naka-black out. And yan, yung side mirror housings natin is color matched. Pinagkaiba sa lower variant is ito ay naka-chrome yung door handles natin. So ito nga pala yung keyless entry natin. To lock it, yan, nakalock na siya. Then kapag bubuksan mo siya, just grab the handle and right over there. But before going inside to the interior yan ng Honda City, syempre tignan na natin yung wheel size natin. It is perhaps going to be a 16-inch wheels. Yan, 185 by 55 R16, tapos naka 4 lug nut spec. Then coming onto the rear tires, tingnan natin to. Yan, okay, naka drum brakes na siya. Tapos sa inyo yung buong shock absorber, ang haba. Okay, tapos yan, naka na siya. Pagkakalam ko naka na to naka electronic parking brake. Yan, ito yung dashboard interior wise. And syempre, sasakyan na natin siya. Huwag na tayo magpahintay-hintay. There you go. Yun yung natin. Dashboard design, infotainment screen. Tapos ito yung 3-spoke steering wheel. By the way, yung mga natin, volume controls, audio controls is on to the left. Yan. Tapos voice control. And then, syempre, on to the right is yung natin, Honda sensing feature, adaptive cruise control, everything else. Tapos yung mga stocks natin for the lights, also for the wipers. As you can see, nagpa-pause yung engine start-stop. It's like it's telling me to start. Yan. Tapakan ko na yung preno to start the engine. There you go. Sweeping action. Yan. And then turns red. Tapos, pakialam lang natin yung infotainment system. Yung radio. Okay, ito yung infotainment system natin. Syempre gagamitin ko lang naman dito yung Bluetooth, pero ito ay Apple CarPlay and Android Auto na siya. But it's not wireless, just to keep you in mind. But ayun, yan, pakialaman natin ng onte. Yan. Yan. Yung apps, yan, doon lang lilito kapag kakinonect na mo na ng yung cellphone mo. Yan, Bluetooth audio. Yan. Okay. Let's see kapag pag pinasok ko siya sa reverse, meron ba siyang camera. So ito yung pala natin, CVT transmission. Yes, we do have a reversing camera. Yan. Tapos yung different kinds of camera angles right over there. I'll show it to you real quick again. Yan. Tapos yan. Tapos onto neutral. Weirdly, yung neutral nito is kulay red. Drive. Tapos sport mode. Since wala itong paddle shifters, yung sport mode nito is fully automatic. Yan. That's a bit of a bummer for me, but yun lang naman yung aking aking opinion. Tapos taas ko lang itong yung air vents because bubuksan lang natin yung air conditioning. Yan. Ito yung different zones Wait lang. Yan. Different zones. Tapos fan speed and then yung temperature. Nice. Yung temperature nga pala, ano, nagiging pula yung, yung outer ring. Nice. Very neat. Nice. Okay. Max cool. Yan. Sobrang lamig. Para kung sakaling sobrang init ng sasakyan, pindutin mo lang yan. One touch. AC off. Yan. AC on. Okay. So it says there. So hindi siya yung traditional na ilaw. Hindi tulad ito. Yan. For the recirculation. And syempre rear, front. Okay. Nice. So we can turn this one off naman na. Yan. And I believe I think for the sensor sa air conditioning. Ayan, ito yung instrument dials natin. Mechanical dials. We can shut it down naman na. Yan. Yan. Just a simple tour about it. Then ito yung traction control off, which probably lahat naman ata ng mga taong yan gusto nila patayin to. Pero ayan, nasa kaliwa naman siya. And then yung fuel filler cap release, tapos yung engine hood release. So since nandito tayo, nakafocus tayo sa harap, mamaya papakita ko sa kanya yung engine hood release. Yan, sige. So natin. Tapos yan, yung power windows. Power windows na pala natin is only on the driver's side, automatically up and down, but on the 3 windows only powered. Okay. Right. Tapos yung manual natin, adjustment natin ng mga seats. Yan, just take note of that. Tapos yung sa boot, tailgate, yan. It lifts up para makuha niya yung mga gamit niya dun. Okay. I was informed dun sa ahente na wala na pala itong 1.3 na variant. Thank God na tinanggal na nila yung 1.3 na variant because may magpipilian pa eh. Ayan. So, aangat ko lang tong hood strut. Baka mamaya makalimutan ko eh. Ito yung makina na. It is a 1.5 liter gasoline engine. Siyempre, meron itong VTEC. Yep. And then, it's fully covered. Napapansin ko. A bit of a sensors. Trajectory nga na dito. Because, be careful kapag magka-engine wash yun. Time to time, kailangan niya yan eh. So, yan. Yung mga black plastic trims over there. And then yung alternator. It's a bit of exposed, and I really love na naka pa rin siya yung radiator cap. It's still there. Engine supports, one of the engine supports. Tapos syempre yung ABS module, yan, a bit of exposed na mo ito. Yan, yung aircon natin, low pa siya sa, yes, you can hold it. Yan. So, yan. Yan. Tapos yung vehicle emission control information right over there. Okay, rear passenger seats. Ano ba yung tsura na to? Okay. Ano yung mga pwede natin paglaruan dito? Siyempre, unang-unang pa lang nakita ko na agad yung may air vents dito sa center console. Yan. Tapos, nga pala, yung design nga pala ng dashboard, I have to say is very simple for a simple person. Siyempre, kung hindi ka naman maselan sa for the aesthetic design ng dashboard, this will be enough for you. Ayan. So you have a screen, gear lever, mechanical handbrake nga pala. Ayan, forgot to mention, in which some people would prefer this one rather than the electronic parking brake. Tapos, yan. Tapos may mga grab handles nga lang dito. It's actually damp. Very nice. Tapos, wala itong center armrest eh. But, yeah, may mga tayo dito. Pwede pagpataguan ng water jugs. Probably, mini size water jugs. Plastic bottle. Ayan. Tapos, meron siyang naka-built-in na and fixed na siya na center headrest. Okay, yan. Tapos ganoon din dito syempre. Yun, nice. Tapos naka-chrome yung handles natin dito for the doors. Yan, the grab handles rather. Okay, ito nga naman yung tailgate. Tailgate natin. By the way, ito yung tsura ng taillights natin. Very masasabi ko lang dito sa sasakyan na to, very European like design itong sasakyan na to. Ayan yung papansin ko. Mukha siyang BMW, I have to say. As with the color itself, really nice. And onto the syempre dito sa may natin carpets, hindi lang nilagyan ng dealership kasi may kukuha ng unit. Ayan, tapos yung spare tire natin, is equipped with space saver kind of tire. Tapos syempre may jack na yan. Very maluwag, I have to say. Kasyang-kasya ka pa maglagay ng subwoofer dito. Katamtamang box lang naman. Then, yan. May space ka pa. This is the third brake light, as usual, at the center. And then, ayan. What else? I think, wala siyang sensors, I have to say. But, since more than enough naman na yung camera, ayun. Makakontenta na kayo sa linaw rin actually. And very smooth on the closing of the doors. Hindi naman ako nagre-reklamo onto the dark paint tapos may silver accents na na contrast. Parang hindi masyadong dark colors yung pinapaligiran na sa sasakyan na ito. Really nice with the shark fins onto the top. Yeah. Okay. Tapos yung LED repeaters natin onto the strip. And then a bit of a plastic nga naman sa ilalim ng side mirror housings right over there. Let's end the video right over there. Like, comment, share, and subscribe guys. Maraming salamat, and gusto ko rin mag-shoutout sa Honda Balintawak for giving me the authorization to video this vehicle. Like, comment, share, and subscribe guys. Thank you very much. Goodbye, and I'll see you on to the next one. Maraming salamat. Bye!